Hi, my name is Dilpreet and this is my submission for the Gemini API Hackathon. And this is my problem statement, enhancing gardening and the quest for personalized plant care. So the problem statement is that you realize of the fact that there is a huge support for plant initiatives like Go Green, Save Earth, and it's resulted in a lot of people, especially in urban areas, to take care of plants and taking wild plants, adopting small groups of plants and there but there is some challenges I feel are not being addressed properly. First of them being lack of expertise. People don't know how to specifically take care of plants. They don't know what watering schedule it requires, what type of soil it requires, and how regular soil change should be, what type of pests are you after it, so much, and time constraints. As we all know, we are all very busy people. We have to balance our lifestyle, busy lifestyle, with the plant care, which leads to a lot of inconsistencies, especially in urban areas. Knowledge gap. We don't have a knowledge of intense knowledge of botany, but as compared to someone who has already dedicated their life, so we don't really, there's a huge knowledge gap and on how to properly take care of plants. Expensive. How can I say this? The plant is the IoT devices we require are expensive and not really practical for a small planter. So this has had a huge impact on the taking care of plants. Reduced plant health, inconsistent, incorrect care practices have caused stunted growth and plant death. Wasted resources. You dedicate your time, money, and this other so many resources, but if you don't do it properly, your resources ends up getting wasted, and obviously you get demotivated and sad. So that's where our application comes in, Aarchid, which is an individual level plant monitoring system. Aarchid emerges as a pioneering solution to address these challenges. It leverages technologies like Gemini's provision model for text and vision analysis, and provide personalized assistance through in-app support, making it easier for users to take care or maintain their plants. Some key functionalities of the application being: first, life cycle tracking. You can track your entire the life cycle of the plant, from start to finish, or based on every record that you take. Second, it utilizes vision model to take health checkups within the year. You don't have to depend on any expert or anything. You have to just upload your image of your plant and you have to upload it. As you all know, there are lots of resources, fake resources. There's a huge repository of them on the internet. So our application provides an in-app AI support, which helps you intel and how to take care of the plants, what type of plants are you use, and plant-specific task management. It allows you to basically creates a to-do list where you can plan on what plant-specific wise, which task needed to be done for which task. So here's a demo of how it works. This is the basic UI I created using Firebase. Yeah. So yeah, authentication successful. And as you can see, these are the two plants I have used for uploading it. First is the rose, and for this is you can sort these plants according to this. And if you want to create a new plant, you have to add rose species. What is the date today? 2nd July 2024 image. So this is the plant. I have posted it. Okay, new plant has been added successfully. If we refresh it, here it is, a new plant. The rate is with the comment and the species it belongs to. If you want to add new plants or new species, suppose you can just go here, add species, and enter your name. Suppose I wanted to add XYZ, XYZ. So it will be added here, as you can see. Although we don't have any plants in XYZ as of now, so we will leave it as it be. So going back to an app which I've been using, where I've been using my app, is this rose. Here you can see I have placed it under the shade of under the roof rose, and I have named it. I planted it on 11 Jan. So here you can view all the health logs of the plant from start to finish. This is the day I took my first log. Even the dates have been a bit. Uh, I was just checking with something, but it is in order from start to finish. This is not finished to start. So if you go down, you check a recent health log, you can see this. I uploaded this image. This image was sent to the backend in it was uploaded there, and then when I was accessing the API, the Gemini API sent this image as a buffer in buffer to the image, the Gemini API, where it produced this log. The rose looks healthy, the leaves are in green color and flowers are plain in red. However, you should do this at some tips you need to follow. Basically, it provides you everything and growth evaluation of image. Going to the next thing, checkups. If you want to suppose take a checkup of your if your plant wise sorting, if may I'll tell you this. Okay, we don't have any. Let's create for this plant. Okay, log simple routine checkup. Plant today's second July. Second 24. I'll be uploading this image. It sends the data to the backend, and then it sends back a whole analysis on how what the evaluation of that checkup was. So let's wait for a while. Yeah, log created successfully. Here it is. The plant looks healthy. It could be given some sunlight and need to 6 hours of daily sunlight to grow. Yeah, yes. Log saved. We can just go back to this, check for this. Yeah, routine checkup. Here the image of our plant, and this is the image. Okay, going to the next feature, in-app chat support. So as you can see, my application, whatever doubts I need to ask, say suppose which is the correct plant or a location like Delhi from the perspective of a beginner planter. Because obviously that's the group we are targeting actually. Sorry, forget my spelling. Yeah, it runs as a botness, a beginner really sneak plant, exit plant. So many plants are provided. If you can't really ask anything outside the scope, say suppose explain, if you say you explain the asset principles of DBAMS transactions, asset property, sorry. DBAMS transactions. And what no. Yeah, you can see it said I cannot answer these questions. Third feature of the application being you can add tasks. Say I want to change the soil of the tulsi plant today. Second floor tulsi here. The task has been added. You can also check it and you can't really sort it here. And say suppose you want to keep in sunlight for 6 hours. So this is last Friday. So here it is task. You can remove it after we have done it. And so here's the application demo. The achievements of our application. So first of all, we have 50 to 60 daily active users using our application across India and abroad. This has resulted in boost in monitoring capabilities, and as seen by individual, we are 50% currently 50% improvement over normal methods, and the models have been regularly fine-tuned to increase responsiveness and accuracy for better user experience. So if you want to use the application, here's the link, deployed link. Here's the client link where you can view the code on which the front end has been built. I made it using React and Tailwind and use Recoil as a global state manager. API link, the where the backend of our application works. I hosted it on Developer, which is my open source organization. and it some looks something like this. Yeah, Gemini, I integrated Gemini like this over here. And you can see routers, the middleware, public. Here the images gets added so we can reference it while uploading. Yeah, we upload the images to Cloudinary. After the image is done, we delete it from the package instance. This is the front end application. You can view it, or there's the link of the app. Here are the links. So thank you. Uh, thank you.